February 22 dagi ngasi phawba changsilakba hunger strike ki khongjang ase aihake oina di adumak miyamna pamba haiba tari lamdam asida tangdu taba santi haibado ngasi phawba udribanina akoina tanjariba demand sigi chap chawa paw khumdo government to pibiyo haiba adugi makha taba sarugoina ngasi changsinjarakbani maruoina hujik lamdam asida nongmai makhon taba ngarang phaw leptri ngasi ju kada da kari taw kadoina haiba tambangam da phiba amada lairi akoi santi pami akoi youth singi maruoina naha singi tungi career gi yengbiraga Manipur da thuwa matamda santi purakna bo hona bada government ki sapsaba lofam dok thodang do lobiyo haiba do ai ngasi ju thamjari I halam yambe rabo memorial trust limit Manipur president thawbujabani
sting from Delhi from 22nd of February till date. So what happens during this course of fasting is like she have shifted from place to place. Like yesterday it was at Singzamai New Market, temporary market, where Imphal West police had picked her up, and before that she did her fasting at a place in Kurai, and that was also Imphal East police picked her up, and then we have taken her out in bail. But the thing is, like, she is doing this protest to restore peace in Manipur, and in her protest, in the course of this protest, there has been no disturbance she created in the public nor in the public spaces. So I wish that the government also listen to her demands and then come forward to resolve the issues that has been taken place in 10 months long violent conflict, and there has been not a single response, neither from the state government nor for the central government. So it is their accountability. She is just questioning the accountability of the existing state and central government, and I don't think that police are doing their responsibility, and I really appreciate what they are doing to intervene this protest, but at the same time they also need to understand why she come forward, why she have decided to do this fasting hunger strike, because we want peace, she want peace, everybody in Manipur want peace, and we have not seen, we have stopped experiencing non-violent night, non-violent days in the state. So it's quite a long time. So now it's time that people should support and show solidarity to this protest, come forward, join hands, and demand peace. Demand to restore peace in the state.
Will she continue to fast for how long? I mean,
we can't say. It depends on her, but according to the conversation I had with her, that she will continue fasting unto death, until and unless she witness the peace in Manipur, until and unless the state and central government come up with a swift resolution to bring a solution to end this violence.
She has been harassed several times, like police tried to pick her up and things like that. What is your reaction on that?
It was really painful. At the same time, it was really disappointed. Police also need to understand what kind of protest she is doing. The moment she started doing protest, starting from Delhi, she has never done anything that will disturb the peoples around her. She never disturbed the public. Even yesterday also in Imphal West district, when she staged the protest, those Maira Pabi, they were trying to clinging the post to call out peoples. Then she stopped. Don't do that. My protest is for peace and demanding peace. I wanted to continue this protest in the form of, in a very peaceful manner. So I wish police also need to cooperate with us. So as the state has not been listening to her, she have decided to come here, which is the heart of the city, so that every people, even the state, will also at least see what she is doing and what her demand is.
Thank you. Yeah.